Hello friends, all of you are welcome on your this YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss about candlestick chart. Its characteristics, its structure, its uses and how to read candlestick chart. So let's begin today's session. There is basically two types of chart. One is line chart and second is candlestick chart. Second type of chart, that is candlestick chart, is the mostly used chart in the stock market analysis. This is the candle. One candle is having four parts: high, low, open, close. Open tells us the price or point where a particular stock or index is open. High tells us the price or point where a particular stock or index is reached during a particular time frame. Low tells us regarding the low made during a particular time frame. And close tell the point where that particular stock or index is close at the end of that particular time frame. A particular time frame means the time for which a candle is referred. For example, 5 minutes candle means that open, high, low, close of that particular 5 minutes is denotes by that candle. One can choose any time frame like 5 minutes candle, 15 minutes candle, 30 minutes candle, 1 hour or 1 day candle. Color wise there is two type of candle. One is bearish candle, that is reflects by red color, and second is bullish candle, that is reflects by green color. In case of bearish candle, this is the open. This is high. This is the low and this is the close. In case of bullish candle, this is the open. This is low. This is high and this is close. Body shape wise candle is having two parts, that is body. This is called candle body. And second part is known as shadow or wick. This is shadow. Candle's part which is outside of open and close range of candle is known as shadow or wick. Shadow can be further categorized as upper shadow and lower shadow. Candlestick chart helps us to understand the price action, trend of market, and volatility during selected time frame. It also helps us to make strategies for trading. This is Nifty candlestick chart. From here you can select time frame like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 day or 1 week. This is the open, high, low and close on 1 day candle. I hope you like this video. In the next video, we will discuss about candlestick patterns. Till then, tata, bye bye and have a great time.